Now we will add some color to the flower we made in the last tutorial. Start by putting a little bit of yellow in the center. Be careful not to spread too much since it's difficult to fix mistakes. Then add a little bit of red around the yellow. Now we'll add a darker red on the border of the petal to create a nice contrast. You can create this contrast by mixing more white powder with the red powder. Now we'll use green powder for the leaves like this. You can also add a hint of yellow in the green to create contrast, but make sure you don't add too much. Once you're finished coloring, use white powder to outline the flower's pattern. The white powder also makes the colors appear more vivid. Here, we'll recreate the flower's original design. Same with the leaves. And now you have a nice colorful flower.